In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up mileage rates in Zoho Expense. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and a few best practices to keep your reimbursements accurate and consistent. First, log into Zoho Expense using your organization account. You'll need admin access for this, so if you can't see the settings we're about to use, check your permissions with your account owner. Once you're in, look to the top right for the admin gear icon. Click that gear to open the admin settings area. This is where you'll control the rules and defaults that affect how expenses are recorded and reimbursed. Inside the settings, find the section labeled Mileage and open it. This area focuses specifically on how distance-based expenses are handled. Next, select Mileage Rates. Here you'll see any existing rates your organization has set up. If it's your first time, the list may be empty, and that's perfectly fine. To create a new rate, click the plus New Rate button. This opens a form where you'll define the details your team will use when they submit mileage. Start with the rate name. Keep it clear and descriptive, like standard mileage or regional delivery rate. A good name helps you tell rates apart later, especially if you introduce updates over time. Enter the rate per unit. This is the amount reimbursed per mile or per kilometer, depending on your unit choice. Double check that the amount aligns with your company policy or local guidelines, and ensure it matches your organization's currency settings in Zoho Expense. Set the effective date. Choose the date from which this rate should apply. If you're rolling out a new policy, you can set a future date so the system switches automatically when the time comes. Using effective dates is a great way to maintain a clean audit trail without changing past reimbursements. Choose the distance unit, either miles or kilometers. Pick the unit your organization uses consistently. If your team operates in multiple regions, consider creating separate rates with clear names so employees always select the right one when they log trips. When everything looks correct, click Save. You'll be returned to the mileage rates list where you should see your new rate active with its effective date. From here on, when employees submit mileage, Zoho Expense will apply the appropriate rate based on the unit and the date. If policies change later, don't overwrite your current rate. Instead, add a new one with a fresh effective date to preserve history and avoid confusion. That's all there is to it. Your mileage rates are ready to go.